Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipumo, and if you are new to this channel, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So I'm creating this video for those students who need my help regarding admission process in St. John's College of Nursing. Since I am an ex-student of St. John's College of Nursing, many of you have sent me request messages. Sometimes I get messages from very unknown people and asking me about the admission process. So I just thought it's better to explain in my YouTube video where everyone can get it. Earlier I made GNM, how are the admission process carried out in for GNM course, but I am actually from BSC nursing background. So in this video I will be explaining what are the eligibility criteria for BSc nursing, and what are the first will be eligibility criteria, then how to apply, and what are the selection process, and the fourth one will be fee structures, and a little tips about hostel, and a little bit about hostel curfews and all. So I'll be telling about the course details and the eligibility for application. So first of all, BSc nursing eligibility criteria is the college admits only female candidates. So the candidates should have completed 17 years of age on or before 31st December 2020. And the minimum educational qualification is pass in pre-university examination of Karnataka Board of Pre-University Education with an aggregate of 45% in physics, chemistry and biology as optional subjects. Yes, that means a minimum educational qualification is you have to pass 12th standard with physics, chemistry and biology, and the minimum marks you have to obtain is 45% in physics, chemistry and biology. And for those students who are awaiting results can also apply. How to apply is so nowadays application is online. So you will get a online application form. You will get it in our website, which is www.stjohns.in. I'll give this link below in my description box, so you can check and go to those link, and there will be another link which says admission.stjohns.in. so you can go, you can click that link and you can go inside, and then you will get everything about application. If you have problem with online application, they will give a PDF. Online admission help is there, so they will give a clear detail about how to do it, how to apply online. So that is it. I think it is easy, and I don't think I have to explain more about online application for BSc nursing course. I find it quite easy. Then next is online application fee is ₹700. So that is like a demand draft which you have to pay in a favor of St. John's College of Nursing, or either you can do a demand draft offline, or you can do it online by paying through your debit card. Then next, what are the selection process? For selection process is they'll conduct one entrance test and interview. So the entrance test is based on your physics, chemistry, based on your pre-university exam, that is physics, chemistry and biology. You'll have a MCQ questions. I think it will be 20 to 30, I'm not sure yet, but I think they'll give you an MCQ question. So they'll also, it's not only the physics, chemistry and biology, but there are few general knowledge question as well, so you have to know them as well. So since it's an MCQ question, I think it will be quite easy. And yes, and the interview will be taken by the College of Nursing, I mean the principal College of Nursing, and the CNS, and I think associate director. Yeah, so I think they won't be so tough on you, but it'll be quite challenging because there are only 100 seats, but there are 1,000 applicants. That's why it's quite difficult to get inside, to get into the St. John's College of Nursing. So you have to struggle not lot, but you have to face that challenge, and you have to struggle a little bit, and you have to be prepared before coming for your entrance test and for your exam, for your entrance test and for your interview. And make sure you wear proper dress, either kurti or salwar kameez with dupatta on, so that it's always better when you dress properly. That's the first impression, so it's better it'll be good if you dress properly. So that is it. And because of this lockdown, I think your interview and your entrance date might change a little bit, so you don't have to worry. They will keep updating you on your email or you will get message for sure, and you will get information instantly. So the fee structure is approximate fees to be paid for first year with hostel is rupees 1,01,920 rupees. So that is not that's not the actual money, I must say. That's the only approximate money you have to pay. This is only for the tuition fee. So if you are staying in hostel, you have to pay for your mess fee, so that is 2,000 per month, and also you have to pay for your own textbook, you have to pay for your uniform, you have to pay for your transportation separately. So everything will be separate, and they might take some photos, they will you have medical checkups. So yes, eventually it will be more than 1,01,920 rupees. So if you are not staying in hostel, you have to pay only 86,420 rupees. That is only tuition fee, and same as above, yeah, you have to pay for all those things. And second year, third year, fourth year, it will be little less, rupees 85,000, but it won't be it. You have to pay for textbooks, and yes, and there will be community posting. You have to pay for your bags, and there are many other they'll collect a lot of money separately. And yes, so the most important thing people want to know about is hostel. Since I stayed 4 years in Nightingale Hostel, I will say that the curfew is quite tough. It's like so if you're a very outgoing person, I will recommend you not to stay in hostel, because hostel will only because the hostel curfew is only from 8 AM to 4 PM, which is only on Sundays. So on Sundays only you can go out and enjoy and explore Bangalore, whereas other weekdays you just have to stay in hostel. But I don't know in future if they'll change this curfew, but for now this is the curfew, I would say. And the food is hostel foods, Nightingale Hostel, your hostel food are actually good, I would say. Since I was there for 4 years, I really like, I mean I won't complain about hostel food, because we are paying only 2,000 and per month, and we are getting 3 meals a day. So I think that's enough. But yes, dinner won't be that good, and sometimes foods are not that good, but sometimes they give us very, very good food, I would say that. And so yeah, that's one thing. And yes, everyone is very strict in hostel, but there will be no ragging as such. So you have to be very tough. It will be challenging for you. It will be actually adventurous for you guys. And 4 years is, yes, 4 years is, I think 4 years will go like this. And yeah, you will enjoy. So if you want to come and join in St. John's College of Nursing, you should be prepared with whatever you are facing, and I think everything will be okay after you meet all these beautiful teachers. And yeah, there are there are many teachers who will help you out with your journey, and I think it's lovely, and I love my college. And yeah, welcome. Since I'm an ex-student, I can't say much, but yes, I would say you are welcome. Okay, so I hope you have got a gist about St. John's College of Nursing. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and please share if someone in your family wants to join, and if they want to know about the St. John's College of Nursing and the hostel. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.